Hey friends, if you have trouble lining up those skinny, narrow greetings and getting them straight on your cards, I have an awesome tip today that should help out. Let's take a look at it. So especially with those tiny little narrow greetings, a lot like these, but a lot smaller, this tip works perfectly. For one little single one, that's when I usually use this tip. I decided to use these bigger stamps to make it a little bit easier for you to see. And also just to show you that it works. It works with multiples as well. If you're trying to get multiple lines lined up straight, which can be difficult, getting them straight with each other. This is a tip that works for any of these situations where we want those stamps lined up and we're having a hard time making it happen. So what I like to do, and imagine this just with one little tiny greeting because that can sometimes be the hardest, but use grid paper. You need some kind of grid. If you have a grid on your trimmer or some grid paper, those will both work. You want to line up your stamp with the grid so that it's straight with the grid. Now, here's the part that I have to retrain myself on this part. This one, I'm debating where it is straight, but we're going to leave it right there. So this is the part where normally I'm looking through my block at my stamps and mounting it directly. What we are doing this time, we are looking differently. What I'm looking at now is I want to make sure the top of my block is straight with one of these grid lines. I want to make sure the bottom of my block is straight with the grid line. So you can't look at both at one time, but you can focus somewhere and make sure that that is straight. Lower it. You now have your stamps attached to your block so that they are basically perfectly straight in alignment with the top and bottom of your block. So what you are going to do next is grab your card, whatever you are stamping on. We need some ink, of course. Let's ink this up. And this is the last part of the process where you're not going to look where you're stamping like you normally would. Like I'm not looking down in this part of the card. What I am looking at again is the top of my block straight with the top of my card? Or you can focus down here. Wherever it's easier to focus, you are making sure the block is straight with the card. Stamp, and you should get a perfectly straight greeting. I just love this tip and I hope it can help you. Sometimes there's an easier way to do things and we just don't figure it out. It took me a long time to figure this out. So I hope this can help at least a few of you out there. If you want to see my future tip videos, make sure you are subscribed. Please like and comment. That really helps other people find my videos. And when you comment, you're entered to win my weekly giveaway. So don't miss out on that chance. I hope you'll be back again next time as I'm here helping you to hand make with love.